Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you get free Wi-Fi anywhere anytime. So guys, let me tell you first that this video is made of fun purpose. So now I'm gonna tell you a few ways how you can get free Wi-Fi. So first of all, if you are or your any friend connected to any Wi-Fi, you can just go to your Wi-Fi like this and just click on tap to share, and after this your friend or you will be able to connect it to this Wi-Fi. There is another way how you can get free Wi-Fi. It will work sometime but it won't work every time. You can just select a Wi-Fi, a random Wi-Fi just like this, and you can just type 1 to 8 just like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, because every Wi-Fi need only 8 digits to set password. You can try this 1 to 8, and if the password is wrong you can also try 1 to 0 like this, and again if the password is wrong you can also try this like this. After trying this kind of password for a few times, there is a low possibility that it will work, because people sometimes get lazy when they are selecting their password. So guys, these are the way you can get free Wi-Fi. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.